Alright, what's going on? So yeah, I'm gonna do this video. I've already done it, but I'm getting ready to put it together. So yeah, I've been doing these videos kind of as a repetition to, I guess, keep myself on a routine, you know? It's actually helped out a lot because I tell myself, like, yo, need to get up, work out, do something, you know. And putting my here is kind of giving me that extra push, you know. Sometimes you need that extra, I guess, extra push to really do something, you know. I was talking to a buddy earlier. I mean, you can sit there and tell yourself over and over and over, yeah, I gotta get out, I gotta get up, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I need to do this. But until you actually do it, it ain't gonna get done. So, but yeah, man. If you guys enjoy these videos, I mean, let me know. So yeah, sorry about that. Got a phone call, but yeah. So I mean, if everybody likes these videos, just let me know. Put a comment in there. I try to comment back. Yeah, I'll try to keep I guess, figuring out different ways, you know, because I guess that's one of the good things about working out in a truck. I mean, it's hard, but one of the good things is you have to find somewhere. You have to find a challenging spot or something. You know, it's a different workout in a different environment every time. You know, you can work out outside, you can work out inside the truck. You know, there's different things. You can use the steps. You can do, you know, in my last video, the tires. You know, it's pretty cool, you know. But all right, I'm gonna throw it together real quick.